What is good, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's going on with Tesla stock, talk about a very important announcement that came out by Elon Musk, and break down a couple more tickers real quick. But before I break anything down all this information, let me say that I am not a financial planner. And also, don't forget about the Webull link. The offer ends very soon. Deposit $500 and you're guaranteed 20 free stocks. This offer ends tomorrow. So, anyways, looking at the market, I just want to mention that Tesla had this head and shoulders leg structure that was developing, but at the same time, this was aligning with a nice cup and handle leg formation. I told you to watch and see which one is going to play out. So far, there was a little trap that was set where Tesla kind of like popped and then dropped, looking as if it was about to see this head and shoulders play out, only for it to get bought back up again. And now it's trying to break out above 202.5. So as long as Tesla holds this thing is going to favor the bulls and it could start pushing even higher as Tesla's showing a lot of strength. But part of the reason why Tesla is pumping and outperforming the market is because of this right here. Elon Musk had some very important tweets and already got like 15 million views in just a few hours. Musk said that tonight we are radically going to be increasing the design goals for the new Tesla Roadster. There will never be another car like this, if you could ever call it a car. He mentioned that it's a Tesla slash SpaceX collab. The production design complete and unveil end of the year, aiming to ship next year. I think it has a shot at being the most mind-blowing product demo of all time. And he also mentioned that it's going to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 1 second. And that's the least interesting part, as it's an absolute monster. So that's incredible news. Tesla's doing very, very well. And now we're seeing the share price trying to soar thanks to that. So it might end up invalidating this head and shoulders if we could try to break out and break 205. And overall, it's showing a lot of strength. And if anything, this is starting to resemble a possible cup and handle, but I need to see this thing break 205 first. If that breaks, I think we're going to be pushing above to at least 210 and then eventually 212. So it looks bullish. It's favoring the bulls a lot more. Then we'll have to see what it does after that. But overall, Tesla's looking pretty good, showing a lot of life, and it's still favoring the bulls more. Let's just see if we could try to hold above 202.5 and see if the hype helps it. I also want to mention to everyone that if you look at SPY in the morning, I said that this thing may be trying to base at 505. As of right now, it's trying to base at 505. That is true. And we'll see how well it holds for today. It just has 506 as resistance. And then we have our next support at 505 and 504.5. But 505 being the most important one. On top of this, I just want to call out that we have PCE data coming out for tomorrow. We'll see what that causes, but as of right now, SPY is kind of in this range between the 50 and 200 EMA, and we'll see what happens after that. Moving forward, for the triple Q, just real quick, this is looking a little bit weaker than SPY. We're barely holding 434. Watch 434 as key support. If we lose this, this could be the start of a bigger move to the downside. It's looking a little bit weak as we have Nvda falling just a bit. I did call this out in the morning that Nvda had some potential downside coming. Look, I told you to watch for a little pop and drop. We popped during the pre-market and came back down. Watch now. The next level to watch for Nvda is 768. If we lose that, 765 and lower levels like 762 are coming. As of right now, it's looking a little bit weak, but watch 768 as support, showing some weakness, which is dragging down the QQQ. Aapl showing some weakness as well. It tried to break out, but now it's coming back down to about 181.25, very close to 181.36. We also have an imbalance down at 180.5. So if it starts sinking lower, a bigger drop could be coming. We're going to be watching to see how well 180 holds. So on top of that, that's excuse me, that's it for these main three. Uh, as far as SPY goes, like I mentioned before, make sure you watch your targets. It is showing some life, so it may try to outperform something like the QQQ for now. But the one that's the strongest of them all is Tesla. Tesla's showing a lot of life, and this thing definitely has potential to bounce and push up even more. So watch and see if we invalidate this head and shoulders. As of right now, we are favoring that happening. Tesla's favoring the bulls, and there could be a more upside coming thanks to Elon Musk's announcement with all the hype coming out. So far, so good from Tesla. Let's hope we get this nice breakout. Let's hope Tesla continues to push. The last one I'm going to talk about is Supermicro. I know I keep getting requests for this. I just want to say that this one is kind of flat right now. It's just barely above our support, which happens to be at like this 814 area. And we have resistance now at 832 and 853. It might just continue to shuffle in this area. It is downtrending technically, so be careful and watch and see how well it bases at 800. It may try to base around there, but otherwise it is downtrending a bit, showing some weakness. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, Tesla's looking pretty good so far. Let's hope this thing tries to get a breakout. Let's hope this forms kind of like a cup and handle, hopefully. And let's see if Tesla could try to get up to 205. It still is favoring the bulls a bit more. If we do get there by tomorrow, depending on PCE, of course, this could be showing signs of a big breakout, and we could be making our way up towards at least, like I'd say, 210 plus to 212 if we get the breakout. So we're still waiting to see if we get it. So far, it's showing life and strength, so we'll see how it goes. Anyways, that's it for this one. Thank you for listening, guys. Hopefully, this video was helpful, and peace out.